My latest Chatbook's arrived today, so I thought I would open it and show you. And this is the packaging it came in. So it's cardboard. The corners are a bit dinted, but I know that the book's a lot smaller, so at least the package is dinted and not the book, hopefully. Open it up and so there's the book. Yay, it looks awesome. Cool. Oh, I'm stoked with that. All the wee pickies. Yay. Very pleased. And I also get bonus print. So these are 5 photos that I've used with my stuff. Let's have a look. Cool. Yay. Oh, Henry and the dog. That's so cool. Chuffed. So chuffed on my auntie. Yay. So that is my 3rd Chatbooks. So it's got my photos on the spine and then it says the dates.